Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to discuss how to solve the Wi-Fi issue. Suppose you have got a Wi-Fi issue on your system. So what happens is most of the laptops these days have the Wi-Fi card from the Realtek system. So in Realtek there are two Realtek versions available. One with the 8168 Realtek chipset and the other is the 8169 chipset of Realtek. So to ease this problem of Wi-Fi issues in the end user systems, Endeavour OS has provided us a small workaround. So you can toggle between the R8168 and R8169 drivers. So what happens is, suppose you have got a 8169 driver, there is a issue, then you can toggle and use the driver from the 8168 for your system, because since both of these chipsets are similar, you can use the driver interchangeably. So I will just show you how to do it. So what will happen is, you have to change, suppose right now my system is using the driver from the 8169. When I click on this, it will just toggle, it will ask me for the user password, and once I provide the user password or the sudo password or the root password, it will change the driver from the 8169 to 8168. Just I will show you, I will make it enlarge this so you can see it here. So it is just changing the driver. So it's very simple, and you have to just reboot your system and the new driver will be activated and it will be working. So this is a very good workaround. So end user who has got limited technical knowledge can easily work around this Wi-Fi issue and check out which driver suits him best. So if 8168 driver is working properly from him, he can use the 8168 driver, and he did not worry about the chipset, which chipset is there. Either of the two, the drivers should work on both the chipsets. So this is a very good workaround provided by the Endeavour OS developer team. So we should thank them for this wonderful workaround for the Wi-Fi chipsets which are not working or giving issues to the end user. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.